Okay, welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to cover normal ortho number 4. And if we were to describe this shape, I would say that we could tear it into two chunks. One would be this L shape, and the other would be this rectangular prism. Which view best shows the shape? That would be the top view. In the top view, we see this L shape. So we're going to start in the top view for this one. And we are going to start by drawing a 1.75 by 3 1/4 rectangle. Switch that to object, and we'll go ahead and change the object real quick. And so we see a 1 by 1 3/4 by 1/2 inch L. So we can offset 1 down, 0.5 down, 1 3/4 over, and another 1/2 inch over. And now we can trim off simply what we don't need. So I know I went through that pretty fast, but basically I just offset all of my lines from my back and my left to make up the pattern and then trim what I didn't want. Go ahead and draw some projection lines now. Straight down 1.75 from the bottom. Corners. And over here. Now this point will be my miter line origin. So now I can come over and start drawing in that. Now I'm going to kind of start working on all three views at once here. And the reason that I'm doing that is because I want to get a basis started. This is 3/4 tall. And then kind of work from there. Now if this projection line comes down, and I think so I have a rectangle here, and a rectangle here, and a rectangle here. And that is what my front view is comprised of. So if I look, I've got not a rectangle here, which tells me this line needs to get extended across. And remember, please, if it looks like it's one line, make it one line. Especially for my LZ students, as we start to laser, it's going to be important not to have extraneous line segments. So we want to keep things correct. So I've got a rectangle, and a rectangle. Here I've got my L, and I've got my resulting shape over here, which is this shape right here. In my side view, I've got a rectangle, and a rectangle. And so I'm going to project from here over, down, from here over, and down. These two now become object lines, and then we can extend our projection lines accordingly. And that is normal ortho number 4. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.